Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Or should I say, long, large unboxing video. Ha! Ha ha ha! I have no idea what's in this package. I was kind of surprised to see this had planted itself in my box, my P.O. box, that is. Oh boy! Just full of jokes this morning. Fantastic. So thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's find out what the heck is in here. I mean, it's got to be a fixed blade. It has to be. A gigantic one, which we've been, you know, we kind of been taking a look at a little more often here or there. I definitely have handled a few fixed blades this last year that have been thoroughly impressive. It takes a lot more to get me interested in a fixed blade versus a folding knife. But you know, of course it's from Katsu. I thought they sent me their... I still have the short sword over there. I wonder what the heck this is. Okay. Is it another... Okay, so it's actually... There's the pouch. Here is this. Okay. What do we got in here? We have... Oh, okay. Is it an updated? What is it? This is the update. Is it the new folding hatchet? Oh, it is. Oh, yeah. This is the it's the SLD Magic version. Oh boy, the SLD Magic and carbon fiber. So, Advanced Knife Bro has my other one. But I gotta admit, I did miss this guy. So I got the folding. What this is it's a hatchet that operates on a... Where's that thing? Really? No way. Where's the pin? I know that the hatchets come with pins. Yeah, there's even threads in there. Did they miss it? Okay, so listen. Before... Is it in the box? No. Give me the pin! Before, you know, people start doing the whole, like, there's no way that'll hold up because it's just an axis lock and it'll fold up. The difference between this and the folding scythe / comma is that this version has a pin that you stick in here and screw down, giving it a secondary stop pin. This means that, you know, no matter how heavy the impact force is, it would have to be enough to break that pin, which is going to be quite a bit of force. Now, is it going to be as dependable as, you know, like a fixed hatchet? Well, no, right? I mean, that should go without saying, obviously, right? It's folding. This one will hold up a little bit better than the comma, because the comma didn't have that deal. I'm pretty sure, I mean, you can see it. There are threads right there. It's just like the first one I received, but I received the pin with it. So yeah, I would actually like to test this myself with the pin, but I didn't receive it. So Katsu, you guys got to send me that pin. Like, I'm definitely not going to try and use this without it. It definitely does work, and it locks out solid. So you just kind of whip it out like this. But oh, you know what? I'm being stupid. Send me the pin. They just forgot the pin. Where is it? Where is it? It's right here. Sorry about that. I'm a big dumb. So there we go. So yeah. You know, it also, I forgot. This is also the tool for disassembly. Now, you know, if you're a big old, I'm a big old strong boy. I don't know. If you're a big old strong boy, you know, okay. Yeah. You know, if you beat this into, you know, concrete or whatever. Actually, you know what? That might be a good test, because I kind of want to do a destruction test on this. There's going to be loads and loads and loads of people saying that it's not going to be able to stand up to the force that they apply to their tools on a daily basis. I get up every morning and I eat 10 pounds of sausage, 10 pounds of bacon, 10 pounds of pancakes, and 10 pounds of nails. Okay, and I get out there and I get the job done. I get my tools and I get the job done. Right? Yeah, I get it. That's a great story. I get it. You're powerful enough to break this thing because you are mighty. Right? Here, whatever. I have a feeling that this will actually stand up to quite a bit of abuse because of that secondary pin. I think that you would have to use this in a way that is so far beyond what is intended, not just with this, but from any, hammer hatchet or, folding hatchet, or not folding hatchet, but just like a standard hatchet, right? My issue with this is that the handle, the part of it that is meant to hang on to, is way too short. This should be much longer. It's not this part I'm worried about. Not with that secondary pin in there, right? I'm not concerned. I'm not really concerned with that at all. Not with what I would use this for, right? I'm absolutely concerned with the length of the handle. This should be so much longer. I don't want my fingers, number one, for two reasons. Oh, you have to take the pin out, right? For two reasons. Number one, I don't want to have to be concerned with how close my fingers are to that thing while it's coming back down, because this edge right here is definitely sharp. And number two, there's just not enough room to, seriously, there should be 2 separate grip zones on this. Am I right? The handle length should be way out here. That's the length of a normal hatchet, so why is it so short? I really wish that, what's crazy? They did 2 different types of carbon fiber on here. We've got shred and regular carbon fiber. Still don't really know anything about SLD magic, and using it on a hatchet will not really tell you much because this is an impact cutter. I mean, obviously, if it shatters on impact while you're cutting something like wood, probably not the right composition for what you're going to use it for. Yeah, so how does it fit in the sheath? Should we go ahead and do that? Or does it go in like this? Oh, it does. It goes in upside down. That makes sense. Okay, yeah. So, does that make it any easier to carry versus a regular hatchet with one of those leather things? I don't really know. I really, sincerely, make a version 2.5 or a version 3 with a longer handle. At least, bare minimum, 50%. You might even consider going double the handle length on this. Not double, 75%, right? It's got to be everything here plus a little bit more so we can have 2 different grip zones, right? Get back here, swing a little bit harder. I don't know. Professional hatchet swingers will correct my, my assessment there. But I like this thing. It's cool. It's fun that it's a folding hatchet. And I mean, if you're wondering, is it fun to go, wha-cha-cha? Yeah, of course it is, right? I mean, come on. Let's be real here. The price is absolutely insane. So if you're going to charge that much for it, at least take it out of total novelty zone. I mean, it's going to be a novelty either way. Take it out of total novelty zone, right? Give us a handle length that suggests that you can actually go out and use it. And then people will go out and use it. I'm going to. And, honestly, I mean, I'm going to wear those steel gauntlets, believe me, and protective eyewear. But I honestly believe that I can use this and it will not disengage, not with that secondary pin in there. So, anyways, thanks so much to Katsu for sending this in. I'll link this down in the description. You guys can check it out if you want to. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.